Even though we come from the opposite side of the world, we share a lot of values, and I think it has been a really enriching experience.
I'm loving everything here. For me, it's a new perspective of what China and its culture is. So I'm enjoying everything. I came here open-minded, and I think I will come back with an even better, perspective of what I was expecting of this program.
It made me feel like I'm coming from the past, like this really feels like it's the future. I think all of the company visits have been really exciting.
Shanghai is really amazing. I could tell it's like very tech forward. It's very fun. Seems like there's a lot of amazing things to do here.
I'm from Peru, from South America, and to be here is to engage with different cultures, way of behaviors, so it's an amazing experience.
I love the skyline. It's super clean, considering how many people live in the city, and I really like it. Shanghai is nice.
I felt China as a place where I can learn the most because it's very different from Europe and the culture that we have there. And as China is such an important country and all the companies they have here, I wanted to learn more about it and understand how they do business.
I think it's a very good opportunity to get in touch with the Chinese culture and how China does business with the world.
I think overall the program has been amazing, and it has been very, very enriching in the sense of I didn't know, even for me, the whole having everything in a digital ecosystem wasn't expecting that. Like coming here, we were like, do we need to take out cash? They're like, no, they're not gonna accept cash anywhere.
Either you like it or not, China is the biggest or one of the biggest players nowadays. We as MBA students, if you want to go global, you need to know for sure how you make business here, how you make things work here.
The value that CEIBS contributes is, of course, China depth, right? So we're the business school that actually has the most China-based cases. We have accumulated a lot of knowledge about Chinese management. With the accumulated knowledge, right, it's a great pleasure for CEIBS to spread the knowledge to a broader audience.
And let me start by saying that it was an amazing week for us. It's a perfect balance in between high-level lectures and also on the ground reality of doing business here in China. I think CEIBS has a unique position in the world right now. It's not a school in China, it's a school of China and Europe. So this bridge in between these cultures are something that makes you guys unique.